Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the earbuds have enough battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. This prevents disconnects during fit. Once done, open the case to wake the earbuds or press the case button to enter pairing mode. You then select Tozo on your device and wait for confirmation. This links audio channels so each ear receives full signal and avoids having to repeat the whole setup later. You pick the ear tip size that creates a gentle seal because a proper seal improves bass and noise isolation. Next, insert each earbud at a 45-degree angle and rotate inward until it seats comfortably in the concha. This locks the stem and reduces movement. If you hear muffled or weak audio, remove and try the next tip size. Once secure, do a light head shake to confirm fit and make micro adjustments for comfort. You now verify controls and sound quality. Practice taps to play /pause and long presses for voice commands so you avoid fumbling later. Then run a short audio track to confirm left/right balance and full frequency response. This ensures both earbuds are paired and sealed correctly. If one ear is silent or intermittent, repair the device, clean charging contacts, or reset the earbuds. These steps usually restore proper connection and solve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.